Hello all, and welcome to Tech Corner. My name is Alex, and today I want to talk to you about a new thing I just got, which is a PowerBeats 2. So this is the second version of the PowerBeats. A few things to note. If you're not familiar with this product, one nice feature versus the AirPod Pro 2 is it has a loop around your ears. So this way it can stay nice and snug in your ears, and if you are wearing a mask or something, you pull off your mask, you don't have to worry about it popping out of your ears like the AirPods do. That's one thing I don't like about the AirPods. I actually purchased the AirPods 2 a while ago, and I was wearing a mask, took it off, and literally just flew across my brand new AirPods. Got a little dinged up, unfortunately. So that's one thing I love about this, is the little loop around the ears, so you know it's nice and snug. It does have the easy connect as well, so when you open it up, your phone will automatically detect it and ask you whether or not you want to connect this device to your iOS environment. A few other things to note. It does have a little volume up and down here, and then if you hit where the Beats logo is, this is where you can play, pause, forward, and if you hit 3 times, go backwards, or forward twice when you're playing music and stuff. So that's basically the little controls for this device. Some other things to note is this does include transparency and noise canceling. For the transparency, I tried it. It sounded very kind of robotic, so it's definitely not as good as the AirPods Pro 2. And also with the noise canceling, I would say it probably reduced the noise around me by 25% versus the AirPods 2 really just block out all sound, which is really great unless you have it in that aware mode. So definitely, if you're looking for noise canceling, this probably is not going to be the best option for you. But if you just want a little bit of noise canceling and you're more, wanting the over-the-ear feature and stuff like that, this might be very useful. Also, they've added a heart rate monitoring in this when you do a workout, which is really great. So you know, during this time when they do have a little bug where if you're playing music and you're doing a workout, it will not track your heart rate. So hopefully that's something they'll fix eventually and soon. That'd be nice. Again, it has also sweat resistance, so if you're sweating, you don't have to worry about it affecting the electronics. It is about also 20% lighter, which is kind of nice, so if weight isn't a big thing for you, that might be something to look into. But this is the PowerBeats Pro 2, so I definitely am going to keep them. I will definitely try and see whether or not how they work on the computers, because one thing I've discovered with Apple products on the PC, if you connect your AirPods or any Apple device hearing, headphones to PC, I always get complaints. People say they can't really hear me really well. So I'll see how these are on the PC, let you all know. But if you like this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content and want to support this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.